Rice is probably the most versatile ingredient that you can either create a very complicated recipe or simply just steam it. You can use it as a side dish or make it as the main course. Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today we are preparing a very simple Mexican rice recipe that uses only a few ingredients and works as an awesome side dish. We are serving the rice with a simple chicken fajita. Let's get started. You will need in a heated pot, add oil and finely chopped garlic. As the garlic starts to turn brown, add in chopped onions and cook until it becomes translucent. Now add in jalapeños. Add rice and stir it for a few minutes until it starts to turn brown. This gives a slightly nutty flavor. Add diced tomatoes and tomato puree. Now pour in the chicken broth. You'll start to notice the beautiful color from the puree. Next, season with salt and pepper to your taste. Stir the mix and bring it to a rolling boil over medium heat. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes in a low heat until the rice is thoroughly cooked. It looks like our rice is done. It's nice and fluffy. Next, we prepared a quick chicken fajita to go with our rice. You will need stir-fry sliced chicken thighs with garlic, onions, bell peppers, some taco seasoning, tomatoes, and salt and pepper. Yep, it's that easy. We make this rice often as it is so easy to prepare and only takes few minutes. Happy cooking!